Good morning, afternoon and evening. Hope all is well. So I'm back again with some more video content helping you guys making the most from using your computers. So the next 30 days I've set myself a challenge that I will be sharing some useful tips on what you could use next time you use your search engine. So the search engine that I'll be showing you tips on is on Google. So my first tip is, hope you're ready, let's do this. So once you've got your browser open, whatever you use, you could be using Internet Explorer, Firefox, Mozilla, whatever you're using. What we need to do is to go onto Google's homepage. So just type in google.com. So you're on the main page. Then what we need to do is go into the search engine, the bar here, and type in Thanos. So that's Thanos. Then press enter button. This loads up the searches. What I want you to do this time is put your cursor on top of this symbol here and watch what happens when you press this. As you can see, things start to disappear. Kind of funky, yeah? So if you press it again, and watch what happens. Waboom! Everything reappears.